Hi. Hi. Okay, let's get serious. Hello guys, welcome back to Made by Joy, a fashion channel where you can see so many fashion related contents such as
sewing from scratch, recreating celebrity outfit, thrifted transformation, fashion illustration, and also fashion talks.
If you're still here until this part, it's either you're interested in me or you're interested in my topic. So just give this channel a chance, give it a subscribe, okay? That encourages me a lot to come up with more exciting ideas and more amazing contents for you guys. And also, I will have new contents every 2 weeks. So if you don't wanna miss out any upcoming videos, make sure to hit the bell button as well, okay? So, in today's video, I will show you the progress of making one of my favorite sets so far. Actually, I am wearing it right now. It's J.Queen set. To be honest, the footages were recorded so long ago already, back to the time when I was in Vietnam, my hometown. So after months of settling down, and finally now I have time to manage it and also editing the videos. I don't know why, but I was kind of procrastinating on this video because I just kept making new ones and just ignore this one. But now I think I cannot delay it any longer because for me this progress is kind of memorable. I was struggling, I was changing ideas a lot, but my main point is that you should appreciate your wardrobe more and appreciate people who made it for you, because when you are actually DIY just like me, you know how hard it is. Since the progress was quite long, so I'm gonna divide it into 2 videos. The process of making the top and the process of making the pant. And here we are now, the process of making the top, episode 1. I'm not gonna let you wait any longer. Let's jump to it. So yeah, because this set was initially made for sales purpose, so I started by illustrating and brainstorming my ideas on paper. The inspiration came from the fabric actually. Like, I went to this fabric store to buy some floral prints, then ended up buying some more fabric that caught my eyes, which were not floral. I was like, come on, buy it. It will be no longer stock. For sure, you're gonna make it a gorgeous clothing pieces. It was autumn in Vietnam at that time, but in the north of Vietnam, where I live, there was a bit of monsoon and cold weather already. I sketched out few designs I want, then I finalized the top, gonna be like the first top, and the bottom gonna be the pant in final sketch. I really want to tell you the origin of those photogenic flowers on screen right now. I got it from a field in my hometown because after farmers finish a harvest, they're gonna leave the field deserted for a while, and that was how wild grass and flowers bloomed, and that was how I found them. The fabric for this set is thick and stretchy fast with a glitter effect on the surface. My favorite part is always when I touch the fabric to get some more inspirations, like how it gonna feel on your actual body, how it gonna touch your skin. So with the top, I cut out a rectangular which is 70 cm long and 24 cm wide, including 1 cm seam allowance. I overlock it first. Next, fold it in half, place the button to position. Then I mark where I want my neck to stop, and because I want to reveal my cleavage a bit, that's why I cut out a triangle shape out of the fabric. Do you know the rules 3 cm? It's like enough amount of skin to be revealed from an outfit at a certain part of your body. Like more than 3 is exposing, less than 3 is conservative. But this 3 cm varies from different people. The thing is, you have that eye or not that kind of eye to define your own 3 cm. I leave 1 cm as seam allowance. Then also mark 3 buttonholes. Continue overlocking the remaining edges of the fabric, then sew the edge to have cleaner look. Now let's jump to the hardest part for me at that time, making buttonholes. That was my first time ever, and I was kinda stupid for not using the footer. The result was fine, not so great though. Next, hand sew the button to the top based on the position of those buttonholes. After we finish the top body, move on making 2 straps. As I make it for myself, so I measure directly on my body. You hold the ruler across your shoulder and mark 2 stops on the top body. Then now I have the length for the strap. Mine is 42 cm. From that measurement, I make a strap pattern. I also measure 42 cm on paper. Mark the central point of the line, and from the central point I mark 6.5 cm wide. I mark 1.5 cm on 2 sides of the patterns, as you can see. Connect those dots together and cut out from the original paper, then I got a strap pattern. Cut out 4 pieces of fabric based on it, then put 2 of them right side together, then sew the edges. There are only 3 directions to be sewed. We leave 1 half free for each, so later we can flip the straps inside out. Now let's flip them over with me. Close the remaining mouth of the strap by using normal stretch seam. Iron the strap to have a more clean and defined look to work on. Now just attach the strap to the body and you are done. Yay! Not yet. Since just then I realized I cut out the neck shape a bit too big. So now I want to make it up. Use an extra pattern to insert into the neck design. You can see its measurement on screen. Cut out 2 pieces of fabric based on the pattern and also 2 pieces of lining fabric. Because my pattern I forgot to include seam allowance, so now I need to add extra 0.5 to 1 cm when cutting out. Place 1 main fabric and 1 lining fabric right side together, then sew all the opening edges. Also same method with the straps. You gotta leave one mouth open to flip it inside out later. Close the remaining edges by sewing normal straight stitch, and I add on 1 more straight seam to additional neck design so it will not look so puffy. Actually, for me in fashion, I'm not so scared of the mistakes because I believe every shapes, every measurements are worth it. And I don't call them mistakes though, they are just problems need to be solved, and I am always on with solving those problems. They kept motivating me, pushing me to come up with more ideas, so in the end when I look back, the design might not be the same as I used to imagine. It's even beyond. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for the upcoming episode about how I made the pen. Thank you so much guys for spending your time watching my videos. See you next time. Bye.